So many people love holding a cube and trying to solve it for around 7 seconds before they give up. It's like that prom dance you thought you can do, but then realized you really couldn't. There's a good reason why people love the cube. It's amazing. But it seems so complicated. Well, it did. This is GoCube, the next generation of cubes. It's like if a cube and a dragon had a baby. GoCube is a speed cube that shows your moves on screen and records them. It knows your cube's exact state and exactly how you're holding it. This way it can turn anyone into a cuber, and turn cubers into monsters. GoCube teaches you how to solve cubes by breaking down algorithms into mini steps that are easy to follow, and it lets you practice with special cube-based challenges. Then there's the battles, the heart and soul of GoCube. It matches you up with people at your level with the exact same challenge and ranks you on the global leaderboard, creating a global community of people who love cubing and hate each other. Have a friend with a GoCube? Use live battle mode to play head-to-head in real time and humiliate them. Take that, Josh. Oh, you won? Never mind. GoCube shows you statistics. You can see turns per second, number of moves to completion, time to completion, averages, and lifetime moves, so you know where you're slow and what needs to be improved. That's how you turn a monster into a monster on a unicorn? GoCube is what cubes should have always been, an addictive connected battle game which everyone can learn and play and get better and better at. GoCube is made by Particular, a company with tremendous experience in cybersecurity hardware and IoT, where they've been putting electronics into tiny devices for years. That's how they created GoCube. Now, they're ready for the market. So if you want to level up your game, get addicted to online challenges, and show everyone who's boss, get GoCube.
giiker超级魔方将完全颠覆人们对魔方的认知。我们为魔方开发了专用运动传感器，结合智能识别算法和蓝牙技术，让手上魔方和虚拟魔方实时同步。超级魔方配套了2款手机 APP， 让每个人都能享受玩魔方的乐趣。全新跟走故事教程，软硬件即时反馈，帮助新玩家轻松学会还原魔方。我们还设计了一系列互动智力游戏，挑战你的手脑反应、记忆、观察能力，让魔方变得更加有趣好玩。超级魔方不仅智能，还有着专业的竞技性能和手感。独特的磁力定位设计，让每一步都自动对准到位，更快、更准、更稳。这就是超级魔方，一个全新的智能互娱硬件。我们是giiker。
Hi there, my name is Matthew Inman, I make the oatmeal, and this is Ilan Lee and Shane Small. They make really cool games. The three of us got together and created a new card game called Exploding Kittens. Here's how the game works. You set our deck of cards face down and take turns drawing till one of you draws the Exploding Kitten card. Whoever draws the Exploding Kitten card explodes, they are dead and they are out of the game. Unless that player has a defuse card, which can defuse the kittens using things like laser pointers, kitten therapy, and catnip sandwiches. In addition, there are various action cards which can be used to move, mitigate, or avoid the kittens throughout the game, such as skipping your turn by wearing a portable cheetah butt, attacking other players by deploying the 1,000-year back hair, picking a card from the draw pile by rubbing the belly of a pigacorn, or seeking out the wisdom of an all-seeing goat wizard. You can also deploy the Taco Cat, Abercrab Lincoln, magical meat bikinis, and a fearsome Catarwalkie. To win this highly strategic, kitty-powered version of Russian roulette, you have to decide which cards to play, when to play them, and which of your opponents to target. The gameplay allows you to develop fun or cruel strategies against one another. The game is kid-friendly, super fun, and super easy to learn. But that doesn't mean Exploding Kittens is simple. With every card you draw, you increase your chances of getting one of the Exploding Kittens and being booted from the game. The longer you play, the greater your odds of exploding and the more tense the game gets. So, if you're the type of person who's into games, kittens, laser beams, Sasquatches, explosions, enchiladas, and sometimes goats, please back our Kickstarter. In exchange, we'll send you our game. Thank you very much.